In this video, I'll show you how to put together your FieldDAQ DIN rail mounting kit. So this is what comes in a kit. You've got your DIN rail panel, or various screws and washers here, and a DIN rail bracket. Looks like this. So perhaps the first thing to do is to turn it over and apply the DIN rail bracket. And for that, you're going to need the two smallest screws and also your trusty screwdriver. Go ahead and screw those down. And there we have it. So right, our bracket has been mounted to the back. Go ahead and flip it over and line up the outline of your FieldDAQ with the outline that's conveniently on this nice panel. Next step, assemble your screws and your washers. Each screw gets its own washer. Go ahead and place those down. This is great because you can put it in a cabinet with all your other equipment if you'd like, or this can be mounted, let's say, behind a blast wall, at the site of rocket testing, somewhere that's kind of more exposed to the elements, but still you want it mounted. And then once they're all placed, just go ahead and screw them in place. And once you're sufficiently happy with the tightness of your screws, you are ready to mount your FieldDAQ on a DIN rail. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.